In today's video, we are diving into a detailed comparison between two popular grooming tools, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the FADEKING professional hair clippers. We'll explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your grooming needs. Let's get started. The Remington Shortcut Pro is designed with portability in mind, weighing only 1.15 pounds, making it easy to handle and travel with. Its waterproof design adds to its convenience, allowing for easy cleaning. In contrast, the FADEKING clippers are heavier at 2.2 pounds, but they offer a more ergonomic design with a powerful motor suitable for professional use. Both products feature self-sharpening stainless steel blades, ensuring a clean cut every time. When it comes to battery life, the Remington Shortcut Pro offers a quick 5-minute charge for a 40-minute runtime, ideal for those needing a quick trim. However, the FADEKING clippers provide an impressive 300 minutes of runtime after a 2.5-hour charge, making them perfect for extended grooming sessions. This difference highlights the FADEKING's suitability for both home and professional use, while the Remington is better for quick touch-ups. The Remington Shortcut Pro comes with a basic set of 9-length combs, a travel pouch, and a cleaning brush, making it a good starter kit. On the other hand, the FADEKING clippers include a more comprehensive set with 9-length combs, a travel case, a barber cape, and various charging options. This extensive accessory kit enhances the FADEKING's value, especially for users who require versatility in their grooming routine. In conclusion, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and the FADEKING professional hair clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize portability and quick charging, the Remington is a great choice. However, if you need a powerful motor and extensive accessories for professional grooming, the FADEKING is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.